In Shona culture, totems, known as mitupo, are more than just symbols. They are a fundamental part of identity, heritage, and social structure. But why are they so important? Let's explore the meaning and significance of totems and how they shape the lives of the Shona people. At their core, Shona totems are clan names, often represented by animals, plants, or natural elements. Each totem signifies a specific ancestral lineage, connecting individuals to their families and spiritual world. The Shona people believe totems are inherited through families, linking the living with their forebears. Totems embody the value and characteristics that clans strive to represent, like the lion for courage or the elephant for wisdom and leadership. There are at least 25 identifiable totems in the Shona culture, with 60 associated praise names or zidao in contemporary Shona society. One of the key functions of totems is to prevent incestuous relationships. People who share the same totem are considered relatives, even if they are not biologically related. Marriage between people of the same totem is forbidden, as it is seen as incest or mutupo. This system ensures marriages occur outside one immediate bloodline, maintaining genetic diversity and the health of the community. Totems foster a sense of unity and belonging. Those who share a totem see each other as siblings and have a responsibility to support one another. This connection extends across tribal lines, creating networks of mutual respect essential for communal living. Totems are also used to address each other's with praise names or zidao. These praise names celebrate identity and heritage, strengthening the bond between people and their ancestors. Beyond personal identity, totems play a crucial role in social structure. With a tribe, the totem defines relationships and promotes collective responsibility. In traditional ceremonies such as funerals, someone who shares a totem with the deceased is given the right to initiate the burial process. Those of a different totem may even be fined for taking part in these rituals without permission. Totems are also a way to express appreciation and honor through a praise poetry or netembo. These poems celebrate a person's heritage and are often recited to acknowledge good deeds. The poem references the totemic animal and the clan's ancestors, building self-esteem and reinforcing a strong sense of identity. In summary, Shona totems are integral to the culture's social structure, identity, and spiritual beliefs. They prevent incest, encourage unity, and maintain traditions that have been passed down for generations. By understanding totems, we gain a deeper appreciation for the richness and complexity of Shona culture. What is your totem? Let us know in the comment section below.